Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our File Explorer. So on the search bar, just search for File Explorer right here and then click on Open. After that, go into your This PC and then you will see all of your drivers right here. Now, all you have to do is to look for the driver that you're having problem with. So let's say, for example, that you're having problem with the C drive right here. So what we're going to do next is to go into our command prompt. So type cmd and then run it as administrator. After that, click on yes. And then in this part, we're going to type CHKDSK space /F, and then this time, we're going to put the driver that we want to fix. In this case, that is C drive. So after that, we're going to click on enter. And then if you have the correct access into your PC, Windows will scan the driver and then they will try to fix it. So that is basically it.